I'm making Allrecipes' most saved dish of the year, bourbon chicken. The simplest recipe you'll make all year. Starting with some brown sugar and soy sauce. Of course, the bourbon going in with a little less than half a cup. A couple tablespoons of dried minced onion, garlic powder, and ginger. Whew, I can smell that bourbon. I'm just gonna pour this over the chicken and let it marinate. You can marinate this up to overnight, but at least several hours. This is the perfect thing to make before you go to work, and then when you get home, you can just pop it in the oven. My curiosity is definitely kicking. We'll see. Marinated and ready for the oven. One final toss. Then you're gonna wanna baste it kind of throughout the cooking process. Can't wait to see what all the fuss is about. It smells good. It's called bourbon chicken, not only because it has bourbon in it, because it's a recreation from a restaurant on Bourbon Street in New Orleans. That being said, I'm gonna serve it up with a little dirty rice, because New Orleans. And now we'll slice up the chicken, tender and juicy. We'll sauce it up with some of that good pan gold. Little sprinkle of green onions. This, my friends, bourbon chicken is the most saved recipe of the year. Something this easy shouldn't taste this good. It's all about that sauce that's sweet yet savory at the same time. I can see why you all like it. If you've never made bourbon chicken before, now's the time to do it. Bet. Yeah.